Oke, halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Masih bersama kita di sini ya kan, dengan PES Mobile Juventus Indonesia. Kali ini kita akan memainkan satu game kita. Ntar kita lihat dulu Pak ya. Satu game kita. Oke, udah ternyata nih. Udah bisa dibagikan dengan suatu masa. Ntar Pak ya. Gas, kita streaming. Gas. Novel cintaku. Kita lihat nih si penembak burung. Yang bener mainnya, ya siap, bener. Siap Bang Suhu. Abang Suhu Ibnu, ya kan. Insya Allah bener nih Bang. Event besar nih. Jadi harus menang. Wah, penembak burung ya kan. Apa yang mau ditembak ini ya kan? Pasti burung lah yang mau ditembak. Masa hatimu asik oba. 8 menit kita main malam hari aja ya. Wah, ngeri lihat squadnya cuy. Ngeri sumpah. Coba intip lagi dah. Ih, ngeri betah. Ikonik dikemanain nanti aja ikonik mah. Kita mas ini nggak usah pakai ikonik Bang. Yang ini aja.
Maka ada chat tak masuk.
Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game
Go.
of football. Conditions
PES Mobile Juventus Indonesia melawan penembak burung. Gitu nggak ditembakannya? Gitu nggak? Gitu nggak lah, masa gitu sih? Itu yang PES Mobile lah.
Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town. And the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too. And all of it adds up to make a terrific, a crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. Certainly this is a very, very impressive event. Big chance!
Nih dicoba ya kan. Oh, lawannya nanti kita bakal lawan ya Pak SCS ya. Si Donik nanti lawan kita nih. MD8.
De Ligt. Kimmich. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Messi. Iniesta. Forward it goes. It's Rashford. Gets away from his opponent. And he's there to clear it. Forward tracking back like that, always appreciated by the crowd.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from a forward who wants to help out his defence. I think any good team really, the striker should be the first line.
Lewandowski Lewandowski. Hai, dia hopah nggak tuh? Umpan manis-manisnya pesan dari Lionel Messi, langsung ke Lewandowski dan manis-manisnya pesan tembak burung. Iya, di manakah dirimu?
Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Kita kasih panas-panasin dulu si Teddy ya kan. Rashford, ada Rashford tapi nggak berguna. Aduh, bakar aja lah tuh.
He's going after it. Mbappe. This is gone. That's a foul.
Oh my god.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score. And obviously, he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he? Well, he has
Apa yang terjadi? Apa yang terjadi? Apa yang terjadi? Tembak burung, menembak burung beneran dong. Tidak ada ke gawang. Langsung umpan jauh manis-manis jam sana. J Musiala. Davids.
And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Timely intervention.
Ted, mana punyamu
That's not
Ted?
going to make it. And it's Messi. Rodri. Iniesta hoists it forward. Rashford. Mbappe. Rashford.
Ngeri dong Rashfordnya ngeri dong. Ngeri. Dibalas dengan selebrasi. Oh, gila.
Right on the bootlaces and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike.
Gila ya, bener sih. Idih, manis banget dah. Yuk dicoba lagi nggak tuh? Tadi udah kena pancing sih dianya.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides and with such great individual talent on show. It could go either way.
Iya, Mbappe dong. Kedir.
Musiala out to the right. Koulibaly. Kimmich.
Ngeri. Awas, bahaya.
Tries to get it forward quickly. And he's straight offside.
Aduh, kenapa pegang kepala si Messi sumpah? Ngapain pula dipegang kepalanya? Aduh.
It's a decent ball.
Disalahgunakan. Aduh.
And the comeback is complete.
Wah.
Lovely goal. Perfect poise to set himself for the strike. He's made it two.
Ada Mes gondong. Si Messi gondrong. Ikut nyetir juga dia ya. Pinter ternyata nyetir dia tuh. Kampret lah. Yuk bisa yuk, comeback yuk.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here. Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision because he had good options around him and he
Tapi nggak ada peraturan loh selebrasi WO.
Mbappe to lift, puts it back. Kimmich.
Gak ada selebrasi WO tuh.
Really good half of football, 3 goals and just one separating them.
Waktunya kita masukin.
Well, Peter, I'm just thinking of the best way to describe that. Frantic, frenzy. It was unmissable and it was irresistible. Forget about the analysis on this one, just enjoy it.
Kita masalahnya belum dapat si ini ya.
And the second half gets underway.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, but now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
Mbappe
masuk. Oke.
Rashford loses his balance and loses the ball. Koulibaly plays it forward. Roberto Carlos. Triol. And here's Rashford. Mbappe. It's come loose. Iniesta has it out wide and in space.
Kurangi long balnya, Min. Oke, siap.
It's a loose ball. And he's cut it out. Well, that's where he wants it. Oblak. And it's played forward. Rodri. Koulibaly gets into the right position to intercept. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Who's ball? Who's going to get that? Shapes to shoot.
Duh, sorry.
Save. That was
Gak pas
easy.
posisinya.
Well, Peter, he clearly felt he was being invited to shoot, and it wasn't the worst decision he could have made.
Rashford. Mbappe.
Tadi siapa nih? Mbappe masuk, Messi KMF. Messi KMF. Oke, sip.
So, time for changes on both sides, actually. Great!
Cule dong.
Decent enough try.
Yeah, he may have
Culenya nggak
snatched
berguna
it down a
kalau
bit,
mau
even though it was
ini
quite close.
super sub. Soalnya dia udah menang 2-1 kan. Kecuali dia masukin dia pada saat dia kalah ataupun imbang tuh super subnya lebih berguna.
Roberto Carlos. Mbappe.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Rodri. Davis. Mateus demonstrates his quality. Kimmich. And here's Lewandowski.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
De Ligt is well to read it and intercepts.
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Questions were asked,
bisa cuy sumpah.
he's given the answers.
Bismillah, yuk, Ansu Fati bisa yuk.
We have got changes here, from both sides in fact. 2 changes being made right now. It's run!
Ditambahin dong.
It's in!
Ditambahin
And
dong.
surely now, the results beyond doubt.
Kampret, kampret.
The one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
And when the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that fate.
That's how
He's had a go!
Si Szczesny.
And they are pulling clear here. And that really is so impressive.
Rashford showed
Szczesny
real
malah
composure
bobok
there.
Szczesnynya.
How often do you see a player do everything right until he gets into the box, only to completely kind of fluff the finish? Not him.
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
Added time is up. And there goes the whistle.
Aduh.
What a game. Memorable for its fluctuation in fortunes.
Bahaya sih.
An astonishing turnaround.
Sumpah.
Which is somewhat what we've witnessed,
Gila.
Jim.
Well, the game
Kita
plan
kalah
for me just
lagi.
looked a little confused.
Oke teman-teman, terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa di like, comment, subscribe. Jangan lupa juga kalau pengen beli bikin patch atau beli baju, sudah saya taruh link deskripsi di video ini.
Many thanks to Jim. And with that,
Dicek-cek
it is
siapa
a
tahu
very
minat
good night
ya
to
kan.
you.
Asik apa enggak tuh. Langsung aja digaskui. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.